Hey, it's Kyle.
And I'm Michelle, and we're the Wandering Shores.
Welcome to Everglades National Park in Florida. We made it here. It is February 4th, 2021. We just arrived. We're going to be staying at a campground, which is unusual for us. So we'll give you a quick review of that when we get back there. But we're going to explore for the next couple days Everglades National Park, and then we're going to head on to something even more sunny. So thanks for joining us. We are at the Everett Welcome Center here at Everglades National Park. Looks like they've got everything set up outside to get the information as well as get our little book stamped.
National Park book.
So, and hopefully get us a couple stickers if they have them.
Yeah.
All right, we just stopped in and got our map and some directions on some of the better trails to hike. So they have a lot of trails here, but they're just about a half a mile each, which makes them a lot nicer for more people to be able to access it. They don't have to worry so much about how long they might be. So we're still here in the visitor center. Some of it's still closed because of COVID, but we're walking out here onto the dock. All right, we picked out our first stop. We are stopping by Royal Palm. There's a whole separate parking lot and visitors area here. Looks like it's pretty crowded. So we'll see what this place has to offer. The ranger said that this is one of the best places to see wildlife. So I'm hoping to see some crocodiles perhaps. There is American crocodiles down here. So we'll show you what we see. So we've decided first to go on the Gumbo Limbo Trail. You know, we're only at the beginning here, but it appears, at least in this section, to be paved. No bicycles, no food or drink, no pets, and no smoking. Thank God. Alright, we just finished the Gumbo Limbo Trail, and now we're on to Anhinga Trail. Again, this all kicks right off from the visitor center of this section of the Royal Palm parking lot. So we veered left off of the paved trail, and there is a nice boardwalk that we're able to walk along. I'm not sure yet if it's a complete loop or not, but currently it's not very busy, which is nice. We're in a national park, so we're required to have our masks on. I understand this doesn't count like this, but we're nowhere near anybody right now, so I think the official rule is if you can't maintain 6 feet of social distance, then you definitely have to have your mask on. But it looks like the boardwalk ends here and overlooks all of this water and the lily pads, and there's another section over there as well. Okay, this is definitely the way to go. Are you ready, folks? Holy cow. There is a gator. I'll have to look and find out if it is a alligator or crocodile. Anhinga Trail. That's our next stop here in the Everglades. It looks like it's a boardwalk that makes a complete circle. Again, as the ranger had mentioned, most of these trails are only about a half a mile long. And again, this one's really nice. It's very accessible for pushing a stroller. Again, I don't think you can bring your bikes out here, so. It's a beautiful day. It's about 4 o'clock in the evening. Michelle and I, including us, there's only 2 cars in the parking lot. So there's definitely nobody else out here, which is kind of a surprise. The park has not been that busy today. It is a Thursday. So I think that's going to wrap up day 1 here at the Everglades. We're going to have a full day tomorrow. We're going to get up early. We got to take a look at the visitor information that we got today and outline all of the things that we're going to do tomorrow. But don't worry, we're going to take all of you along with us. So see you tomorrow.